Hello YouTubers, thanks for tuning in. Today we have Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat to review. They were kind enough to send me the product to try out. I've never used this product before and I'm curious to see how well it works. So ordinarily there'd be a spray type head on the top here, but they did not send me one. Not a big deal. All you need to do is unscrew the top, apply it to a microfiber towel, and apply it that way. So they also sent me these two microfiber towels. You'll need two as well, one to apply and one to remove the haze to get that ultimate shine. So yeah, they have a 4-step process on the back here. It's very easy. Just spray the product onto the towel, and then step 2, gently and evenly rub the product onto the surface of your vehicle. And thirdly, you switch to the second cloth, and then you buff that and remove that haze before it dries. And you just repeat that process until the vehicle is clean. It also says on here you could use it on glass, paint, metal, plastic, and more. So it'll be interesting to see if it works on plastic and how well it works on plastic and even glass for that matter. But yeah, I'm going to go in the garage and give it a try. And if you like the product, check the description for a 20% off discount code that I'll provide, and it'll be up there in the description or down below in the description, so check that out. Yeah, let's head in the garage and see how well it works. Okay, so I just washed this front fender here. It was pretty dirty. It's winter here now in western Pennsylvania, and a bunch of salt and grime on this fender, so I just washed it. So now we're going to go ahead and apply our Shine Armor Quick Coat. As you can see, this thing is not smooth at all right now. So we're going to go ahead and apply the product and see what it does. Okay, we have our product here in our microfiber cloth. We're going to go ahead and apply the product directly to the cloth. I do not have the spray nozzle. I didn't have one laying around. So we're going to go ahead and do this. The product actually smells pretty good. Has a sweet smell to it. A little goes a long way. It's very easy to work with. Now we have our dry microfiber cloth. I'm going to go ahead over the surface here and go ahead over everything and make sure you buff it. The paint does feel really smooth now, and it really does shine a lot. It looks very nice. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty good. Alright, now I'm going to try the water test. See how well the water beads off this fender. It looks pretty good. It beads right off there. Yep, that's what it's supposed to do. I like it. Alright, let's apply the product to this plastic housing on the side mirror. Let's rub it in gently. The nice part about just pouring it on the cloth is you don't have to worry about overspray. Not that it really matters though, because the overspray would be on the paint or the glass, and I think it's okay on either surface. Now we can take our dry microfiber cloth and polish it. And this mirror is older, so it doesn't polish up perfectly, but yeah, you get the idea. Okay, one last test. We're going to apply the product to my front glass headlight lens. These are glass. I converted these over years ago, so they claim it works on glass. Let's try it out. Nice and smooth. Looks very nice. Well, that review went very well. Very pleased with the product. It's so simple to use. Just take it, spray it on your microfiber towel, rub it on the body panel, and then take your dry cloth and wipe it to a nice brilliant shine. And it smells good too, which is a plus. Another great idea, you could take this with you to a car show, let's say. When you get there, pull this out, give it a quick shine, and it'll look great. So I'd like to thank you, Shine Armor, for sending this to me to do the review. I really appreciate it. And for all my viewers, thank you. And if you choose to make a purchase, don't forget in the description below the 20% off discount code you could use. And that sums up the review. So thank you guys very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.